welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I make my candle labels. It's really easy and I use Canva, so we'll flick to the shared screen in a second and we'll get into it. If learning about how to make candles is your thing, hit the like button and subscribe down below. Right, the first thing we need to do is load up Canva. I recommend getting a Canva Pro account as it is literally amazing. You can do all sorts on there, schedule Instagram posts, Pinterest posts, you can make pictures, videos. Honestly, it is the best software ever, and £10 a month is pretty cheap. So what we're going to do is do a 5x5 label, which is sort of my standard go-to at the moment. So we need to create a new design, custom size, inches, 5x5, and this will create a blank canvas to work with. And then the easiest bit is we're just going to type in candle labels, and there'll be loads of pre-made ones, so we can just take some of them, edit them, and then we're pretty much away. So let's select something we like. Let's try that one because that looks pretty cool. And then we can change a few bits. So candles, edit that way, make that central again, and then I've got a few images already from previous candles which I paid someone on Fiverr to do. So I've got loads of like individual clip arts done, but I paid someone to create them so they're completely unique. You can use the free stuff on Canva. Actually, let's do that. Let's just use some free stuff on Canva. So today we're going to do a label for a lavender candle. We're just going to type in lavender, and then we're going to go to graphics. And we're going to find something nice and black and white to replace those ones with. Let's keep looking. That looks quite cool. So we'll delete these. We'll pop that there. Nice. Natural scented candle. We won't put that, we'll put artisan vegan candle. Because we're using fragrance oils and not, I mean they're sort of natural because they're based on essential oils, but you know what I mean. The weight, our candles are 280 gram. Soy wax, we can leave that there. So that is just an example of one of the labels we can do really quickly, but we'll make a few more. Let's have another look, see what other labels we can make. So some pretty cool designs already set in here. So you can buy like pre-made designs on Etsy, but I reckon a lot of them have just taken these, ripped them off and then repackaged them as their own digital products. But yeah, like I said before, Canva is amazing. It makes everything so much easier. All of this work would take me ages in Photoshop, and Canva just makes it simple. So let's keep looking for other labels. All these ones I've done before for my essential oil candles. So we can replace the current page, start again. So let's have a look. So change a few bits. Artisan vegan candle. I'm going to go back to the lavender theme. Just that. Perfect. 280 gram. We'll just change this. Handmade candle poured in Suffolk up to 50-hour burn time. Boom. And then we're going to find a nice little picture to put there. So we'll go back, have a look at lavender. I think we'll do a coloured one for this. Something like that. That looks quite nice. Stretch that. Yeah, perfect. Nice. And then we can save that. Go to download. We want to get some good quality. Save it as a JPEG. Then we can just download that and that'll save it. But yeah, there's so many different labels you can make, and they're so quick and easy. Honestly, I reckon I could make 10 different labels in about 20 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. Let's just have another look. One more example. Just seeing what stands out to me first. And I think it's nice to try and pick something different. There's so many candle labels which are all very similar, and people try and emulate others, which is fair enough, but try and do something to stand out. Okay, now we're procrastinating, trying to find the perfect label, which probably doesn't exist. Ah, that's cool. Haven't seen one like that before. Right. So let's do something a bit different. We're going to do sea salt. Plus drift wood. We're going to replace that image. So have a look. See what the sea brings up. Well, that's pretty cool. So we could do something like that, adjust that a bit, put that right in the middle. Yeah, that looks like, oh nice. Actually impressed myself. 280 gram. Most of my candles are basically 280 grams. Change that to coconut soy wax. We can open that a bit more. Make sure that's back central. Scented candle, handmade in Suffolk. Vegan, long lasting. No nasties. It doesn't really matter what you put here, you can adjust it for whatever you need to do. Then we'll just make that a little bit bigger, maybe make it central, put that there, I think, yeah. But we can change the image for something else if you want a black and white one, or a seashell. But we can change the colour of that quite easily to white, which looks pretty cool. Or we can do some other ones. Something like that. Oh, that's quite nice. So there's so many options on Canva. And like I keep saying, Canva have made this so easy. And then you can schedule your posts as well. So if I made a label, I could schedule this to post on Instagram in a couple of days, saying like, look guys, I've got some new candles coming out. And yeah, like I said, it's like immediate, like social media, just by making and saving labels. So you could have something like that, you can change the colour, you get pink, all sorts. Right, what else? Ooh, gone too far. Sea salt. Let's have a look, see if that's got anything. Oh, yeah, something like that. So we could have loads of shells. Change that to white. Spread that out a bit more. Actually, no, I think there's too much going on there. Or even a bit of Salt Bay. But we change the background of this to something else, so we can make that completely white, but then obviously we need to change the rest of it to black. We can have a gradient, we can have some flowers. Like I said, the options are endless, and Canva have made it really easy to do everything, so give it a go. There's going to be a link down below where you can sign up for Canva using an affiliate link if you want to give me some money, which might be nice. But yeah, honestly, Canva has made everything so easy. And this is how I make all my candle labels, box labels, basically any kind of editing I just do on Canva. And it's made everything really simple, much quicker, much faster than Photoshop. So, nice one.